For day 2, we're going to start out with the VTOL, so the vertical takeoff and landing. We're going to be talking to Nick and Andrew with Quantum Systems, and they brought their Trinity Pro, so we're going to have them tell us about that.
So we're a VTOL manufacturer, so we make drones with compatibility of over 4 different payloads we operate on Trinity Pro. Quantum Systems has been around since 2015. Evolved over the years from the Tron to the F90. Now we're at Trinity Pro, and some exciting stuff coming in the pipeline for 2027.
Can you tell me about the top features about the Trinity Pro?
Yeah, some of the top features for Trinity Pro, I mean, first and foremost would be our endurance. We're able to stay in there quite long compared to our competitors. For us, wind capabilities, so weather. We can fly I've flown in winds up to 38, gusting up to 38 miles an hour. I think for us too is the swappability of our payloads. So to be able to fly LiDAR, to be able to fly an oblique for 3D models, all the way to our LiDAR payload, which does carry a small RGB camera on the back of it at once. So unlike our competitor, we're able to colorize a LAS point cloud file all in one flight.
And what's coming down the line?
Product roadmap's healthy for us. Andrew and I, who you'll meet, Andrew and I are going to be responsible for our DFR market in North America. So law enforcement agencies looking for those ISR applications, taking out, not removing, but taking away the helicopter, for example. And then for us on the commercial side in the mapping world, is going to be a new system as well. Product roadmap's looking healthy for some systems coming down. We've drastically grown. I mean, I was employee under 100, and now we're 700, I believe we're at. So it's just, I mean, we got a lot of growth and steam behind us.
What industries are these drones for?
Yeah, good question. Majority of it's going to be mapping. Anybody looking to do a large scale map. So 400, I always say 400 plus acres, you're going to map, whether that be photogrammetry, LiDAR, an oblique as well for 3D dimensions. We have our oblique sensor has been quite common. We're getting into the utility corridor sector as well. I'll let Andrew hit on that, but that's something we're looking to get into as well.
Yeah, so in terms of corridor mapping, we have a couple really cool things that we can do with our drone. First and foremost, separate takeoff and landing spots. So with upcoming beyond visual line of sight waivers, we're able to now launch the drone, map miles and miles of whether it be pipeline, transmission line, rail networks, road networks, at a very high quality level that hasn't been seen before in the industry.
And can you tell me about what's down the line for Quantum Systems?
Yeah, cool thing that's coming down the line at Quantum Systems, we have a very feature-rich product roadmap. We always have new payloads coming out onto the market. Pretty much anything that there is a specific use case for, you can bet that we're working on it. The drones are meant for people like me. I'm a land surveyor by trade, so we manufacture drones for land surveyors, engineers, any professional that can benefit from a large map at high detail.
And can you tell me some of the features that really stand out for drones like the Trinity Pro?
Yeah, a couple things that stand out for us. We have a market leader right now. We have a 128 megapixel mapping payload, the phase 1 P5, that can get you down to a 1/10 of absolute horizontal accuracy. If you want to learn more about anything Quantum Systems, feel free to reach out to us. Reach out to our awesome partners at Drone Nerds. Be happy to give you any information you need.